Welcome to the Science Academy. Here we are with the class 9th chemistry. Unit 1, Fundamentals of Chemistry. As we are discussing and studying about the basics of chemistry, so today our topic is about elements, compounds and mixture. We will study and discuss about elements, compounds and mixture in this topic. Elements. An element is a pure substance which cannot be split up into other simpler substances by an ordinary physical or chemical processes. For example, gold is an element which cannot be converted into simpler substances by physical or chemical processes. The fundamental unit of element is atom. Scientists have discovered approximately 118 elements, out of which 92 are naturally occurring. Each element consists of only one kind of atoms. Symbols of elements. In 1814, Berzelius suggested the system for representing elements with symbols. The shortest name of an element is called symbol. The elements are denoted with a symbol. For example, the element boron is denoted with symbol B, carbon with C, hydrogen with H, oxygen with O, and nitrogen with symbol N. There are also elements whose name and symbol begin with different letters, such as copper with Cu, iron with Fe, and silver with Ag. They have different symbols. Compounds. Compound is a pure substance consists of two or more different subtypes of elements chemically combined together in a fixed relation by mass. Simply, compounds are made up of elements in which elements have fixed ratio. The properties of compound is different from the elements from which it is made. For example, water is a compound. It is made up of hydrogen and oxygen, which are elements. So water is a compound which is made up of element. Formula of compound. A compound is always represented by chemical formula. A formula shows the symbol of the elements of which compound is made and their combining ratio to each other. The compound is denoted with a formula in which elements are represented by their ratio. For example, sodium chloride is represented with the chemical formula as NaCl. Mixtures. A mixture is made up of two or more substances that are not chemically combined. A mixture may consist of element, compounds, or both. It means that the components of mixtures are not in a fixed ratio. Mixtures can be separated by physical methods. The example of mixture is sugar dissolved in water. Mixtures have a wide range of applications such as alloys, which consist of mixture of metals with other elements. Types of mixtures. There are two types of mixtures. Homogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture is one which has uniform composition throughout its mass. Means they are dissolved to form a uniform composition. Example of homogeneous mixture is table salt dissolved in water. Heterogeneous mixture. A heterogeneous mixture is one which does not have uniform composition throughout its mass. It has a non-uniform distribution of their components. Example is dirt and sand mixed in water. We will understand the difference between compound and mixture by an example. Iron and sulfur, by mixing with each other, form a mixture and can be separated with magnet. So it is an example of mixture. When iron and sulfur is strongly heated, it reacts with each other and lose their properties and form a compound, iron sulfide.